Hey everyone, today I'm thrilled to introduce you to the top 3 action cameras in the market. We all share a passion for adventure, capturing adrenaline-packed moments and sharing our special experiences. That's why we're here today. In this video, we'll explore the best 3 action cameras to help you make the right choice. Are you ready? Let's not waste any more time and dive into the exciting world of action cameras. Let's get started. Today, I want to introduce you to the GoPro Hero 12 Black. This camera stands out as one of the best action cameras you can find on the market today. It supports resolutions of 5.3K 60, 4K 120, and 2.7K 240, coupled with top-of-the-line stabilization and horizon leveling features. The Hero 12 Black offers HDR support in varying lighting conditions, providing better image quality at resolutions of 5.3K 30 or 4K 60. Its nearly square image sensor enhances picture quality for creators shooting vertical 9:16 frames. Plus, its durable and waterproof design eliminates the need for an additional case. As for who it's ideal for, the Hero 12 Black is a versatile action camera. Surfers, skateboarders, and other athletes can mount the camera to themselves or their gear to capture first-person views of their moves. Vloggers will appreciate features like the front-facing color display, standard tripod socket, and media mod accessory system. Additionally, the 10-bit video capability offers flexibility for editors. In conclusion, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is an action camera that stands out with its wide range of features. However, I recommend considering your needs and budget before making a purchase. I'm excited to introduce you to the Insta360 X3. This camera is an excellent choice for those interested in dual-lens, 360-degree video capture. It provides a comprehensive view of your surroundings and offers software tools to enhance your videos with creative effects. Moreover, its waterproof design and durability make it perfect for capturing action-packed moments in any environment. So, who is the Insta360 X3 for? It's ideal for creators looking to explore the world of 360-degree shooting and editing techniques. The camera's HDR video profile effectively handles various lighting conditions, allowing for stunning visual results. Additionally, it's capable of producing special effects shots like Matrix-style bullet time and motion time lapses, adding another layer of creativity to your videos. In summary, the Insta360 X3 is a compelling option for those seeking to delve into the world of 360-degree video production and elevate their creativity. However, as with any purchase, it's essential to consider your specific needs and budget before making a decision. I'm excited to introduce you to the DJI Osmo Action 4. This camera uses a large Type 1 1.3 format image sensor to produce crisp video in low-light conditions, outperforming what you get from the GoPro Hero 12. While the Osmo's pixel count may not be as high as the Hero 12's, it still supports up to 4K 120 or 1080p 240 video and can capture 10MP snapshots. Additionally, we appreciate its 75-minute battery life, dual touchscreens, and 59-foot waterproof rating. So, who is this camera for? If you're someone who enjoys exploring the world after sunset, the Osmo Action 4 is definitely worth considering. Its front touchscreen is convenient for self-recording, and the camera's durable build quality means you don't have to worry about it breaking even during rough use. In conclusion, the DJI Osmo Action 4 is an excellent choice for those looking to capture sharp video in low-light conditions and seeking a camera with a sturdy build. After my experience with it, I'm confident that the features it offers will impress you too. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.